This simple tutorial will show you how to use some fabric scraps to create a cute little pumpkin pillow. You can download the free pattern for this if you follow the link in the description below. It is completely free. You don't even need to give me an email address. Start by basting the black piping to the inner sides of the pumpkin pieces. Then you want to sew the pumpkin pieces together, sandwiching the piping. Make sure to do this for the front and back of the pillow. Now you want to get the pumpkin stem ready. With the right sides together, sew the stem pieces. Then you want to trim the seam and turn it to the right side. Baste the stem to the top of the pumpkin pillow. Then you want to sew the front and back of the pillow together with right sides together. Be sure to leave a gap at the bottom of the pillow so you can turn it to the right side. Trim the seam allowance, clip the curves, and turn the pumpkin pillow out to the right side. Now it's time to stuff the pillow. You can use whatever you want to stuff your pillow. I like to use leftover fabric scraps that are too small to use for anything else. But this does make the final pillow a little bit more lumpy than it otherwise would be. So if you don't like that, you can always use polyfill or some other type of more traditional pillow stuffing material. After it's all stuffed up, all you have to do is hand sew that gap at the bottom of the pillow. And you're finished. You have a new festive pumpkin pillow for this fall season.